Hello, I'm Ulaş Yıldız. Today I will introduce the project we have developed for CS449 at Sabancı University with Erim Karsal. Our project allows users to control an application interface with only facial gestures and voice commands without requiring any physical contact. This is an innovative system designed especially for individuals with mobility limitations. Within the scope of the project, we developed a technology that analyzes the facial movements received from the camera and creates a cursor according to noise position. We also added a structure that allows users to record voice and analyze this voice to obtain detailed information with a GPT model. Every detail in our application is designed to facilitate user access and provide as natural experience as possible. Now, I will show the features of our project and how it works step by step. When we launch the app, we see the main interaction area at the top of the screen, controlled by a noise cursor. At the bottom is an instruction area that guides the user. These instructions clearly explain how to use the app. Here we can see that camera is switched on. The interface works by following the movements of the nose. The interface design is minimalist and accessible to optimize the user experience. In accordance with the principles of Fitts law, the microphone button was placed in a central position. The distance between the cursor and the button was minimized to reduce user fatigue. The introduction section at the bottom provides information on how to use the app. In the center of the app, there is a button with the microphone symbol. When you focus on this button with your mouse cursor, the recording starts after the 3 seconds waiting period. If you focus on the same button again, the recording process ends. There is also blind detection support, and with this feature we can press the key directly without waiting 3 seconds. This feature detects and activates when two eyes are closed. When the recording is complete, the system analyzes the audio file and sends its content to the GPT model to generate answer to relevant question or response to your request. When the voice recording is complete, the system converts this voice to text and processes it through OpenAI's GPT 3.5 model. The system provides meaningful and contextualized recommendations based on the voice comment or text content. For example, if you give a voice comment, what will the weather be like today? GPT will give you suggestions about the weather or activities to do. And I will start the demo. I'll start the microphone. Yes. Who is Dostoevsky? What are turning points of his life? I want the microphone. Yeah. Yes. The 6 suggestions generated by the GPT model are presented to user in an easily accessible grid layout. You can access the detailed explanations by focusing on these options with the mouse cursor. The subcategories open after the suggestion selection are completely related to the main topic selected. In this way, we can get more in-depth information on the same subject without moving away from the context of the first question we asked. For example, if you initially asked a general question and selected a question, you can access the more specific details by ensuring the subcategories of this suggestion. This enables the system to provide the user with focused information without deviating from the subject. You can also scroll down the text in the subcategories entirely with the mouse cursor. For example, I will enter the second option. Yes, we can see the scrollable area, and we can scroll down with our nose and scroll up with nose. Yes. You can also scroll up or down the text in subcategories entirely with the nose cursor. You can scroll the text up moving your head up, and scroll the text down by moving your head down. Using the back key, you can return the previous menu with the nose cursor and select another suggestion. This makes the user experience completely accessible without the need for the physical touch. For example, I will go to the third option, and I didn't like the answer, and I will go to the back previous part, and I can go to the previous part again, the first question. Yes. Yes, you can see the first part. There are a few other features of the system that should be noted. The application can be closed by pressing the Q key. And in the background, your voice recording is automatically analyzed and stored in the file system. Yes. This project was designed to enable the individuals with physical access to difficulties to access technology more easily and naturally. Features such as the cursor control with nose movements, voice command processing, and the rich context presentation from the GPT model were developed in line with this goal. Our app offers a user-friendly experience and takes important step forward in accessible. Thank you for listening to us.